Rumors that Tesla wants to debut on the smartphone market have been going around for a long time, although there has not been any specific information about the device yet. However, recently there were rumors on the web that in July Elon Musk will make a presentation of his own smartphone, thereby hitting the phone market. We all know that Elon Musk is an amazing person. His vision of the future is broader than that of an ordinary person. His particular vision also changed the car manufacturing market and popularized electric vehicles, and his company SpaceX conquers space. I believe that in July 2022 the world will see a novelty from Elon Musk Tesla phone, and it will not just be a smartphone capable of competing with all the giants dominating the market today, but really the best smartphone, which in all likelihood will leave them a few steps behind. Is the Tesla Model Pi really going on sale on June 15th? Let's figure it out a bit. Watch our video to the end to learn more. The processor characteristics in the Tesla phone are comparable to the Apple 13 Pro, so at least Apple easily competes with the latest enhanced version. It is very well suited for games. Let's not forget about the combination with the Tesla electric car. The smartphone will become a single whole. Firstly, there is a technology of wireless charging of the phone from the car battery at a distance of up to 3 meters with a power of 5 watts. You don't even have to take the device out of your pocket or purse to start the process. It resembles the development of the Chinese Xiaomi. Secondly, a technology is being launched under the control of a Neuralink brain implant which will analyze your behavior on the network before you have time to think about where you want to go. The route will be laid out in the navigator. Also, the creation of Elon Musk was originally developed on the basis of Neuralink technology, which is useful for people with brain injuries. The user will be given the opportunity to control the smartphone without using fingers, which sounds promising according to Elon Musk. In addition to the standard control of the phone by the power of thought, for the owners of the chip, Tesla Fund will offer some exclusive functions. One of these functions, it will be reasonable, is the convenient management of a Tesla car. Now Tesla will not need to steer, but it is enough to think in order to turn the steering wheel, and the phone will transmit a signal to the computer of the car. Secondly, owners of Tesla phones will be able to directly exchange messages without pressing the keyboard. The Musk explained that with the Neuralink the need for a screen as such will disappear. After all, the phone will be able to display a message on the retina from the inside or project it onto any other surface. Many people will definitely decide to buy a Tesla phone because it will be a unique smartphone with features that have never been available in existing smartphones today. Let's see what standard characteristics it has and what is unique about it. Tesla Model Pi is a smartphone that will stand out against the background of a huge number of modern gadgets in the hands of users. Every detail has been thought out, starting from the futuristic design, ending with the built-in unique features. Unusual for the phone, it will be the first phone that supports mobile communication and the ability to connect to a satellite network only in the spring of 2022. Does more where less clear information finally appear about the upcoming release of a novelty and a complete revolution in our view of telephony? Let's better understand its uniqueness and characteristics. The 8th series have Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, although there are rumors that the basis will be invested in its own development of Nikola 1. This development, according to Musk, was first supposed to be designed for multimedia panels in Tesla cars. RAM 16GB, built-in memory for a choice of 512GB to 1TB, fast charging Type-C 100W. The battery capacity is still in question, charging speed up to 100% in less than 10 minutes. Dust and moisture protection level AP68. The camera with Zeiss optics is equipped with 4 lenses, including for stunning night shooting, especially for photos of the night sky, macro and wide-angle modes. The front shots will be from under the display, which is not quite usual for our smartphones. Elon Musk himself was directly involved in the development of the Tesla phone, and of course the smartphone has some unique features. There is a solar panel in the back of the phone which allows you to charge the device by 20 in 30 minutes of being under the sun, so, for example, while traveling far away from civilization, not being able to charge your phone, you can always be in touch by simply putting your phone under the sun's rays. None of the existing flight ships can boast of such an opportunity. Elon Musk's SpaceX space company has launched a Starlink project to equip the surface of the planet with high-speed internet via satellites. Tesla phone has the ability to connect to this network directly and use high-speed satellite internet from anywhere in the world at the same time. For smartphone buyers, this network will be available for free and without time limits. The operating system of the Tesla background will presumably be iOS 14, which slightly suggests thoughts of competition with Apple products using our own technologies and developments. I equip the smartphone with functions that are unusual to us, which will help in emergency cases, facilitate comfortable movement, and in general it will become an indispensable device of the modern technological world. Again, I want to return to the question of the Tesla phone operating system. If the manufacturer's cars have their own OS, what is the probability that the phone will also acquire an individual software shell, or still Apple technology, and the unique design of the titanium case will be a fun alternative to the mood ring when the color of the case changes depending on your state of health, mood, and condition. The whole secret is in changing the temperature of the hands and photochromic coating. Keep the device in a calm environment, one shade of metal, and if you fall in love or get angry with the authorities, it's a completely different color of the case. Interesting fact, the design was done by Antonio de Rosa, who had a hand in developing the style of Apple and most of the gadgets of this brand. The style remotely resembles an iPhone, and the ultra-durable material of the front cover will not be susceptible to damage. Scratches when dropped. The backside of the Tesla phone will please owners of a built-in solar panel. Agree, a non-standard approach. Before that, portable chargers were equipped with such additions. Now the smartphone itself will become a walking charging station, according to the manufacturer's assurances. In 30 minutes in direct sunlight, the device will replenish the battery supply by 20. Very impressive figures, considering that many currently used smartphones will not always please with such a speed of charging from electricity. Tesla Phone Pi is becoming a clear favorite for fans of clean environmental energy, and the fighters against climate change will become a walking advertisement for Tesla. By 2022, the developers put a lot of emphasis on performance graphics and neural networks in the phone. At a minimum, the device is sharpened for gamers in all respects: high processor power, fast image rendering, additional acceleration in powerful games. The disappearing camera or chameleon camera will become an additional focus of the Tesla background. The development consists in the fact that the module for filming, which is 4 cameras per 3 square centimeters, is covered with electrochromic glass. Therefore, during everyday use of the phone, the owner will not see the peephole of the camera. This technology does not carry a payload. It is intended only for the aesthetic appearance of the smartphone. A trifle but nice mining your cryptocurrency. Elon Musk has developed the cryptocurrency Mars coin. Tune in now to the fact that the smartphone will mine and earn independently using the built-in processor given the connections to the Starlink network. The connection will be secure for data and mining. Let's hope that the developers' satellite communication will become quite common by the time the phone is released back in January of this year. All information about the release or production on an industrial scale of the Tesla Phone Pi is covered in darkness. The intrigue and gossip around the event thickens, replenished with new facts, but so far there is no progress on the part of the manufacturer to confirm or deny the information about the Tesla background. The release date is still unknown. How much will the Tesla background cost? Whether the preliminary specifications match what to expect? Elon Musk promises truly revolutionary solutions that should dilute the well-established swamp of innovations from Apple, Samsung, and other manufacturers, but first let's look at the characteristics of the device. Being prepared, Elon Musk can seriously bring down the popularity of Apple devices and premium Android gadgets now. We can imagine how this incredible smartphone will look like. This is thanks to the Chinese website My Drivers, which published renderings of the first Tesla smartphone, the company of Elon Musk. It's no secret that the more advanced a smartphone is in all respects, the more people will want to buy it for themselves, as they will better understand and realize what they are giving their money for. This is the first smartphone of the legendary manufacturer of electric cars, and the novelty is not a typical mobile device but an extremely advanced device. With some unique engineering solutions, the phone contains many advantages and many people will definitely want to become its owners. The full presentation of the Tesla phone will take place later, and the start of sales is expected towards the end of 2022. It is not yet known how much Elon Musk will appreciate his revolutionary novelty, but probably the rumors about the price tag of $690 can be confirmed well, or they will be in a similar price range. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and leave a comment.